Let's draw a bed.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start with a line. And then another line. And then another line. And let's make a curve right there. This is a small curve. Then we're going to have a line come down. And then we're going to make a wavy line, okay? And that looks like this. Then we're going to make another wavy line that's going to go all the way over to here. So you can put a little dot on the paper where you want to stop, and that wavy line is going to go all the way over. Then we can draw a line down here, and then we're going to do another wave. Hello. And then what we can do is we're going to add a line that goes up here and then curves and then goes all the way over to here. Next, we're going to start over here. We're going to add a curve that turns into a line. And then we can add another line right here. Now, let's add a line here with a curve there, and then a line that goes down. Now let's add in the legs. So let's do 1, 2 lines, 3, 4 lines, and then let's finish these feet first before we get over on this side. We'll add in just a U, and then another U. It's kind of a slanted U. Maybe it's more like a C. And then on this side, we're going to add the pillow. So let's add a curve. And another curve. And then another curve. And we can do a line that goes across there. Let's add in a line up, a line over, and a line that goes all the way down to the floor. And then over here, it's the same thing. We're going to do a line over, follow that line, and then we're going to follow this line all the way down. And then we can make that C. Okay. Next, we're going to add in a short line, and then we'll add in another line here and another line here. And I think the only thing we need to add is just a little detail there, just a little line. This is a bed. What color will your bed be? Will you add anything around the bed or on the bed? Use your imagination and add more to your drawing. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.